Welcome to 60 Seconds. It's Tuesday, January 29th, 2008, and the turmoil in Kenya continues to spiral out of control and has now claimed the lives of over 850 people. When will this stop? How can this end? That is my question to you. In other news, inside socialist Venezuela, which is one of the highest rates of gun-related death in the world, 4 men earlier this week attempted to rob a bank, unsuccessfully, and earlier today negotiated their freedom, walked out of the bank, got into an ambulance with a couple of hostages, and drove off into the sunset. They were promised by the police that they would not be followed and would not be apprehended. And it makes so much sense. One of the released hostages said, hey, they didn't hurt anybody. There's no need to arrest them. But I would say they did rob a bank. And if that goes unpunished this time, what the heck do you think they're going to do next week? Props to Hugo Chavez. You're definitely running your country quite well. Thanks for tuning in to 60 Seconds. See you on Thursday. Oh, and if you missed President Bush's State of the Union address last night, come on over to opensermo.com. We got a great 60-second video recap. Compliments of Mahalo Daily, who probably has one of the hottest video casting anchors on the internet. We love you, Veronica. Thanks for tuning in. See you on Thursday.